Good evening. I'm Leslie Collum, co-president of the League of Women Voters of Murfreesboro and Rutherford County, and it is my pleasure to welcome you tonight to this public forum for Rutherford County offices. Before we begin, I would like to thank the Rutherford County Chamber of Commerce for their co-sponsorship of this event. I would also like to thank the Rutherford County Government Access Channel, Chasen Haynes of the Chamber, and Judy Powell of the League for organizing this event and making it available to the viewing audience. I now want to remind our live audience of a few rules. No pens, signs, or other visual expression of a candidate preference will be permitted. We also ask that you not applaud or otherwise respond to the remarks of our candidates. Please hold all applause for the conclusion of the forum. Also, we ask your cooperation in staying in your seats until the forum has concluded. I would now like to turn it over to our moderator for the evening.
The candidates have not been told what questions will be asked. Each candidate will be given 30 seconds to answer each question. 1 minute will be allowed for the last question. I will begin by introducing the candidates. They are each seeking election to a seat that is important to the citizens of Rutherford County, and we hope to hear them address the substantive issues facing all of us. I want to thank them for their gracious acceptance of our invitation to participate in this event. Sitting to my left and speaking first tonight is Lisa Crowell. Lisa Crowell, you may begin your opening statement.
My positive track record of working hard, dedication, and commitment to my fellow workers both at the Rutherford County Clerk's office and my other position in a non-governmental position makes me an ideal candidate for the Rutherford County Clerk's position. Hello. My name is Lisa Duke Crowell, and I am here tonight seeking to represent you as the next Rutherford County Clerk. I have 7 years prior experience at the Rutherford County Clerk's office and experience as well as a local businesswoman working with the public. I'll make sure a vote for Lisa Duke Crowell is a vote for you.
Thank you. And sitting to my right is Lisa Harrell. Lisa Harrell, we are now ready for you to begin your opening statement.
Good evening. My name is Lisa Harrell. I'm 51 years old, and I am the Democratic candidate for the office of County Clerk. It is my distinct pleasure to be with you tonight. I would like to thank the League of Women Voters, the Chamber of Commerce, and the OIT department for hosting this forum. Public service has been a part of my life for the past 31 years, all of which I have served in the county clerk's office. It is who I am. I am currently the probate clerk administrative supervisor in the county clerk's office. I enjoy helping people and seeing that their problems are resolved. Working in the county clerk's office has given me the opportunity to serve the citizens of Rutherford County. I look forward to the future with continued dedication to all citizens of this county.
Thank you. We will now turn to our first question. That question will be answered by Lisa Harrell. Why are you running for county clerk?
31 years of experience in the county clerk's office. It has been my life that it's what I do, it's what I know, I'm knowledgeable, I have the experience, and I will be ready and willing to serve the citizens of this county for as many years as they would re-elect me to this position.
Thank you. Why are you running for county clerk?
I have known for years that one day I would run for the county clerk's office, county clerk's position as well. While I was working there, I developed a passion for the clerk's office and what it represented, and that's service to the community. I took a lot of pride while I was there. I decided that this was the time for me to go back and serve the public of Rutherford County with my fresh perspective. Thank you.
Question number 2. Lisa Crowell, what makes you the candidate to vote for?
Again, I would be a new face in the office. I do have experience in the office as well as outside experience in the office. I do bring a fresh perspective and new energy to this position.
Lisa Harrell, what makes you the candidate to vote for?
31 years ago, I never imagined that I would be sitting here tonight running for county clerk. President John Kennedy fought to bring people together and challenged all of us to go where we could only imagine. I feel I have the experience, the knowledge, and the ability to run the county clerk's office in the manner in which it should be run.
We're now ready for question number 3. Ms. Harrell, what are the main responsibilities of county clerk?
County clerk has a lot of duties that are involved on a daily basis. The main job that we do is motor vehicle. We're also responsible for business license. We issue passports, marriage license. We're in charge of notary applications, and also we're the secretary for the Board of Commissioners. My current job is the probate clerk for Rutherford County, which is filing and docketing all of the probate records for Rutherford County.
Ms. Crowell, what are the main responsibilities of county clerk?
Well, like was said, it does have a lot of responsibilities, the main one being the motor vehicle division, as well as marriage license, your passport applications. They are the official minute keepers for the commissioners' meetings.
Thank you. Question number 4, addressed to Ms. Crowell. How have your experiences prepared you for this job?
While working in the county clerk's office, I did gain knowledge. However, outside the county clerk's office, I gained knowledge as well. I now see the county clerk's office as the general public sees it when they walk in there to be served. So I see it from 2 different angles, not just one.
Ms. Harrell, how have your experiences prepared you for this job?
Working in the county clerk's office has prepared me by serving the citizens on a daily basis. Each day is new. It's never the same. Someone can come in with one question, and the next day there could be a totally different question. So there are a lot of different aspects of the office. Each day brings a new experience.
Question number 5. Ms. Harrell, if elected, what challenges will you face as county clerk, and how will you address them?
The biggest challenge for the county clerk's office is customer service. That's the #1 priority. The citizens of Rutherford County live in the best county in the state of Tennessee. They demand good customer service, and they deserve good customer service. And that's what our responsibility is to the citizens of Rutherford County, to serve them and to help them the best way that we possibly can within the law.
Thank you. Ms. Crowell, if elected, what challenges will you face as county clerk, and how will you address them?
Well, as of right now, I don't know of any challenges that I would face. However, when challenges do come up, and they always do, you handle them with your best decision, with a clear mind, and think things through before acting.
Thank you. Question number 6. Ms. Crowell, what changes would improve the county clerk office, and how could they be implemented?
Well, changes within the county clerk's office right now, there doesn't seem to be any changes that really need to be made as far as I've seen. However, once I'm in there and can see it on a daily basis, I would address that situation when I need to.
Thank you. Ms. Harrell, what changes would improve the county clerk office and how could they be implemented?
Recently, we opened a new satellite office in Smyrna. It would be good to have an additional satellite office within Rutherford County to serve the citizens of this county as a more convenience for them to renew their tags. An additional wheel tax officer is needed for wheel tax violations within the county. The state is also getting ready to implement a new program for the motor vehicle department, a new computer system that will be going into effect in September.
Thank you. This is your last question, and the last question asked will be 1 minute to answer. We will begin with Ms. Harrell. How does the county clerk role interface with other county departments and services?
The county clerk's office, as I stated previously, offers many different services within our office. On a daily basis, we have the citizens to come in inquiring as to what procedures and what we handle within our office. Also, they want our direction to other offices. They may not know necessarily where they have to go for filing certain documents, and we're there to help them along the way with filing the particular documents they want, or they may just have a question that they want answered regarding their taxes or something along those lines. And we work with the other offices by making phone calls for the citizens.
Thank you. Ms. Crowell, how does the county clerk role interface with other county departments and services?
Well, as county clerk, you would work well with the other county officials. When local attorneys come in to take care of their business, it's working with them as well. When the residents of this county come in, again, it's leading by example of how you would like the office to be run and how you are running as a leader of that office.
Thank you. Once again, on behalf of the League of Women Voters, Rutherford County Chamber of Commerce, and Rutherford County Office of Technology, I want to thank both of the candidates for their participation tonight. I also want to recognize Brian Robertson and the staff of the County Technology Office for their cooperation in presenting this program on Governmental Channel 19. I also want to remind all citizens to go to the polls on August 5th to exercise this important right to determine who represents them, as well as in the other important positions being voted on. Early voting begins July 16th through July 31st. May we close now with a round of applause for both candidates.